In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Sora 2 videos. A dog imitates the horse jump motion guide. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Google. This keeps things simple and make sure you reach the correct destination. In the search bar, type the word Sora and press enter. You should see results related to the official Sora video generation experience. Look for the official Sora website in the results and click it. Always double-check that you're on the authentic site before moving on, and consider bookmarking it so you can return quickly in the future. Once the page loads, you'll find a space where you can describe the video you want. This is where the magic happens. The clearer your prompt, the better your result. For this demo, we'll use a playful, motion-focused idea. Type a prompt like this: a playful home scene where a real dog watches a horse-jumping video on TV, then excitedly mimics the horse with clumsy prances and pillow jumps as its tail wags wildly. Notice how this prompt sets the scene, names the subject, describes a sequence of actions, and hints at the mood and energy. Words like clumsy prances and pillow jumps guide motion, while tail wags wildly adds personality. Keeping sentences concrete and chronological helps Sora plan the beats of the scene. If you want even more control, you can add details such as lighting, camera angle, or shot duration, but keep the language natural so it reads like a director's note rather than a shopping list. You can also emphasize pacing with words like slowly, suddenly, or in one smooth motion to shape how the action unfolds. After you've written the prompt, click the Create Video button. Sora will start generating your clip. This can take a little time depending on complexity, so leave the tab open and avoid refreshing while it works. You may see status indicators as it processes, which is normal for longer or more detailed scenes. The clarity of your wording is key to motion quality. Strong verbs and concrete nouns tend to produce more believable prances, jumps, and tail movements than vague language. And that's it. You searched for Sora, opened the official site, wrote a focused motion prompt about a dog imitating a horse jump, and generated the video with a single click. With clear language and a bit of iteration, you can bring lively, story-driven moments to life in just minutes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating.